ito, ma. 3, 2, 1.
Tita Gigi.
Day to you.
Ano ba?
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ano to si Ray? Yung kamasing masiring.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Michelle.
Happy birthday, Tita Michelle. Happy birthday, Tita Michelle.
Happy birthday po, Lola Metang. Thank you po dahil nakilala po namin kayo and ang wish ko po is sana hindi po kayo magkasakal. Yun lamang po. Happy birthday po.
Anyway, this is your special day, a big day, ang pinakahihintay mong araw. Char. May kunting mensahe lang ako para sa'yo. First of all, I just want to greet you a happy 40th birthday sa'yo, Ate Michelle. Ang inahan ng hinabang. Char. Sabi pa ni Mark, Queen of Hinabang. I hope you always take care of your health. More birthdays to celebrate in your life. Thank you for the help you've given me and to my family. Especially when my father got sick. You voluntarily offered a help even though I didn't ask because I was thinking you also needed a money since you were going to have a surgery that time. But you still choose to give a help for my father. Salamat, ate. Kasi yung time na yon ay talagang walang-wala din po kami. Nagulat na lang ako, nagpadala ka na. Pagising ko sa umaga, may laman na ang GCash ko. Salamat kaayo te. Diri ko gud to hingalimtan. Tungodan imo bulig, nadugtungan ang buhay ni tatay. Salamat kaayo. I salute you for your kindness and helpfulness to those in needs. Thank you for meeting me. Although I have known you for a long time. Dati pa naman kita kilala eh. Pero yun na good luck kita nagka-close sugad hini. Thank you for the trust you give me. Salamat talaga te sa tiwalang ibinigay mo. Thank you, thank you. Once again, happy 40th birthday te. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. You're the best of all. And God bless you more and more. Mwah. I love you. Ingat. Bye.